Let's move on to Lyft Turbo. Is it what it claims to be, or is there some shaving involved? Sergio.
Yeah, I got a lot of these this week, and one made a lot of sense to me. A lot, right? And
Great, because I was putting this together and I'm like, I have no idea what you're talking about here.
yeah. No, well, Lyft came up with this thing called Turbo, 20, 30, 40%,
Yep.
as you guys can see, like on the second to middle screenshot. It's a new bonus structure kind of a thing. Except that there's, I think, one more screenshot you're missing here, though.
No, there's only 4.
Oh, there was? Oh, yeah, there's one more screenshot. Anyway, so I'll explain it. We're looking at so this driver sent me, first of all, Chris, you do know, still, even with me in LA, there is a rate card.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Same here.
I don't know why. Why is there a rate card?
I don't know, but okay. I think
why is there a rate card? We're upfront fares. There's not supposed to be a rate card. But anyway, so here's the deal. This driver, Turbo looks like this, so they'll give you like the extra 10%, 20%, 30%, sometimes 40%, Chris. But the title of this segment is Turbo a rate replacement, just like Surge is? Okay, we know what they do, right? We've shown negative equity trips now, like Surge is high, and then the trip goes down to like
service fee of $15,
like 10 miles. So now Lyft is learning from the best of the shaving club. Lyft, don't do it. Seriously, it's not worth it, Lyft. Don't do it. Don't repeat what these people are doing over there. Don't. If you just don't do what they do, you'll be such a better company. Seriously. That'll be like my top advice to Lyft people. Don't repeat what they're doing. You'll be fine. Okay? You'll have happy drivers. So this driver says, Sergio, look at this. I'm like, okay, let's take a look. So he goes, there is my rate card. The minimum fare is $3.67. Right, Chris?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So he does a minimum fare trip.
Let me guess, it's getting $3.51. Oh, no, I see what you're doing. Okay.
See what's happening?
Yep. Now it makes sense. Okay.
Yeah, now it made sense. Yeah. See what I mean? Like, he goes 20% on top of 3.
Yeah, hold on. For those who are listening, the rate card is to the screenshot that's next to it. And yeah, it says the minimum rate is 367, but the base earning on the passenger receipt is saying 347. So they're shaving 20 cents right there.
Yeah. How's that? It's pretty good. Lyft. Come on. Okay. Come on. Don't do that. We're going to be on top of this. And 6 months down the road, Chris, there'll be like an adjustment in drivers' accounts. They go like, where is this money coming from? I'm like, I don't know. It's probably this thing. So don't do what they do.
Well, you know what? This is what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to start taking pictures of the upfront fares. And here's my rate card. Here's my rate card right here. And it says base charge 83 cents. Per mile is 71 cents. Per minute is 17 cents. Minimum rate is $3.90. Maximum rate is $300. Make sure you pay attention to that, people. Cancel minimum is $2. Cancel maximum is $15. Schedule cancel minimum $5. And schedule cancel maximum $15. So pay attention to those. That's just that's just Lyft regular. XL is a little bit different. I got 99 cents a mile and 27 cents per minute with a minimum rate of $5.53.
But there shouldn't be a rate card, according to Lyft.
But what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the rate card and then combine that with upfront fares and see how much of a difference that actually is. Because
you're definitely
you should be getting your rate card pay just in an upfront model, don't you think? Not. I mean, come on. That would make the most sense. Like literally, if they're telling me it's 4.6 miles and expecting 32 minutes or something, then I can do the simple math myself and say, okay, I can calculate that. Or you could just give me the rate card up front and let me know what that is, and I'd be okay.
Yeah, but upfront fares does not go off the rate card, right? They said that. They said there's like a million things in there. Okay, Beverly Hills Poodle, Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. You don't have to repeat your comment every single time. You can email me, and I can't do anything. I have no special powers about those things. But what I can do is I can guide you to a lawyer who probably will not probably, he will definitely talk to you about a free consultation. And then the best thing is, if it seems like you're in LA, it says Beverly Hills Poodle, so I'm assuming you're in Beverly Hills or somewhere over there, which I am in LA. My best suggestion, if you want to solve this problem, okay, is go to the LA hub, Green Light Hub on 3rd Street in Mid-City. They will take care of that, because one of our own contributors, Gabe, had the same problem up in San Francisco. He went into the hub and they took care of it. Because if you wait for them to take care of it, because they make you fill out this FTC form, this and that, that's going to take another 2 months. And if you need the money, you're not going to earn anything. So my suggestion, go to the Green Light Hub. Actually, don't even email me. Go to the Green Light Hub. Google Uber Green Light Hub in Mid-City. Go to that. Make an appointment. They'll fix it for you. So Lyft, please don't do what they do. Please don't do it. We already know. We experienced this already. This was so easy to catch. So don't do it. 20 cents at a time. Don't do it. It's not worth it. Not worth it.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.